All right, so I'm going to quickly show you guys what you need to actually remove a bankruptcy. So first, when you're looking at your consumer report under judgments, if you have a bankruptcy, this is usually what it looks like. And you can see here by court, it says who reported the bankruptcy or who supposedly reported the bankruptcy. So here it says U.S. Bankruptcy Court. Here it says bankruptcy, U.S. Bankruptcy Court in Memphis, Tennessee. So the first letter you need is actually the letter that you write yourself. You are writing to the bankruptcy court to ask them, hey, do you guys actually report this information to the consumer reporting agencies? In my opinion, this is the longest part of the process because you have to wait on them to write you back. I mean, these are fictitious people, but you get the idea. You actually have to look up the address from the court that's reported on your consumer report. Next, this is actually from a different state, but all these letters pretty much look the same. You should get a letter back stating that the United States bankruptcy does not report any information to the credit bureaus and is not responsible for verifying or validating that information. What does that mean? The consumer reporting agencies are responsible for reporting accurate and correct information on your credit report. And we saw on the credit report what it looks like. It states that the bankruptcy court reported this information. The bankruptcy court is actually stating that they, in fact, did not report that information. So what laws have been broken here? From a consumer law perspective, these are the two areas that you want to look at: permissible purpose and consumers' right to privacy. Now, if you don't know which 4 places you need to dispute after you get those 2 letters, you can check out the consumer law cheat sheet. The link is below. It gives you a step-by-step breakdown on exactly what to do to get that bankruptcy removed. Bye.